Nungel's introduction. The US 10-year Treasury Yield, often referred to as US10Y, is one of the most important financial indicators in the world. It is not just a number on a chart. It reflects the heartbeat of the global economy. At the time of this analysis, the yield is hovering around 4.26%, showing modest upward movement. While this may seem like a small percentage change, even slight shifts in this yield can send shockwaves across global markets, impacting stocks, gold, cryptocurrencies, currencies, and even everyday borrowing costs. This script explores the technical structure, macroeconomic forces, market sentiment, and future expectations surrounding the US 10-year Treasury Yield. What is the 10-year Treasury Yield? The US government issues bonds to borrow money. Investors who buy these bonds receive interest payments over time. The yield represents the return investors earned just on the bond's price. Here's the key relationship. When bond prices fall, yields rise. When bond prices rise, yields fall. The 10-year yield is especially important because it acts as a benchmark for global interest rates, influencing mortgage rates, corporate borrowing costs, stock market valuations, currency strength, global capital flows, crunk market. Constructure at present, the US10Y is trading in a volatile and uncertain range, reflecting mixed signals from the economy. Key observations: yield fluctuating between 4.23% and 4.37%, currently near 4.26%. No clear directional trend. Strong sensitivity to inflation data, oil prices, Federal Reserve expectations, geopolitical tensions. This lack of direction suggests that markets are in a wait-and-see mode. Technical analysis overview. 1. Long-term pattern. Triangle formation. Over the past 3 years, yields have been forming a triangle pattern, indicating consolidation before a major breakout. Upper resistance trendline, lower highs, lower support structure, time cycles suggesting a potential breakout soon. Ignore target if breakout occurs. 4.55%. 2. Moving averages. MA200, weekly, acting as long-term support. MA50, weekly, short-term support. The yield recently rebounded from MA200, held above MA50. This suggests a potential continuation upward, as long as support holds. 0.3. Key support and resistance levels. Support 4.29%, EMA support 4.21%. Critical support 4.1%, Sin 3.93%, major long-term support, resistance 4.36%, 4.48%, major rejection zone 4.70%, breakout targets 4. Indicators: RSI, relative strength index, around 54, slightly bullish, but not over. Botima structure price, above EMA 200, bullish. Structure testing, EMA 50, short-term decision zone, Spore interpretation. Momentum is neutral to slightly bullish, but not strong enough to confirm a trend. Memorban macroeconomic. Diversity movement of the 10-year yield is heavily influenced by macroeconomic forces. 1. Inflation remains the primary driver, cooling slightly, still not fully under control. Energy prices, especially oil, keeping risks alive. Munor, if inflation rises, yields go up. Munor, if inflation falls, yields go down too. Federal Reserve policy markets are currently pricing a higher for longer interest rate environment. No aggressive rate cuts expected. Possibility of extended tight policy. Some risk of further hikes if inflation returns. This keeps upward pressure on yields. 3. Economic growth. Recent data shows slowing GDP growth. Mixed labor market signals softening economic momentum. This creates a conflict. Weak growth pushes yields lower. Sticky inflation pushes yields higher. Result: sideways volatility. 4. Oil prices rising. Oil prices are a major factor. Increase inflation expectations force central banks to stay aggressive, push yields upward. 5. Geopolitics. Tensions in the Middle East, especially around key oil routes, are influencing markets. Escalation, higher yields. Inflation fears, de-escalation, lower yields. Risk easing, market sentiment. The bond market is currently reflecting uncertainty. Investors are unsure about future inflation direction, Federal Reserve decisions, global stability. This leads to choppy price action, lack of strong trends, frequent reversals. Das Szenario analysis fast denner, bullish scenario yields rise conditions. Inflation remains high, oil prices increase, Fed stays hawkish calm. Break above 440%, target 4.5%, 4.70% impact. Stocks fall, crypto weakens, gold declines, USD strengthens. What bearish scenario? Yields fall conditions. Inflation drops significantly, economic slowdown deepens, Fed signals, rate cuts calm. Break below 420%, target 4.0% or lower impact. Stocks rally, crypto rises, gold strengthens, USD weakens, locks. Sideways scenario most likely in the short term, Ben. 420%, 4.4%, driven by mixed data and uncertainty. That's the 5% danger zone. One of the most critical levels is 4.5%. Why it matters. Historically triggers stress in markets. Raises borrowing costs, significantly pressures government debt financing, pulls money out of risk assets. If yields break above this level, markets could experience equity sell-offs, crypto corrections, tight financial conditions, relationships with other markets, stocks higher yields, lower valuations, stocks fall. Bond gold higher yields, less attractive, gold declines. Crypto higher yields, less liquidity, crypto weakens. US dollar higher yields, stronger dollar, long-term perspective historically. Yields declined for 40 years, 1980 to 2020. That trend has now reversed. We are currently in a new rising yield environment. This suggests higher interest rates may be the new norm. Markets must adjust to tighter conditions. And a key takeaway: US10Y is a global financial benchmark. Current trend is uncertain and volatile. Key level to watch. 20% support and 4.4% resistance. Breakout above 50% could trigger major market shifts. Inflation and Fed policy are the main drivers. Geopolitics and oil prices are adding extra volatility. Don't final outlook in the near term. The US 10-year Treasury yield is likely to remain range-bound, react strongly to economic data releases. Stay sensitive to global events. The market is waiting for a clear signal. Until then, expect volatility, uncertainty, sudden moves in both directions. MOUT US 10-year Treasury yield is more than just a financial metric. It is a reflection of global confidence, fear, and expectation. Understanding its movement gives you an edge in reading the entire financial system, because when yields move, everything else follows. 1. Why US10Y matters for traders. The US 10-year Treasury yield is not just another chart, it's a macro compass. Think of it like this: stocks emotion, crypto speculation, gold protection. US10Y reality check. It reflects inflation expectations, interest rate outlook, economic strength, global capital flows. When US10Y moves, it quietly reprices everything else. Core principle: must understand first before strategies. Lock this in. Rising yields, tighter financial conditions. Falling yields, easier financial conditions. This single concept drives all strategies. Chap 2. Market relationships, intermarket strategy. You don't trade US10Y in isolation. You trade its impact. When yields rise, stocks, tech stocks, most sensitive, crypto, gold, USD. When yields fall, stocks, crypto, gold, USD fills. 3. Trading styles. Using US10Y. There are 3 main ways to use US10Y. A. Confirmation tool. Best for beginners. Use US10Y to confirm trades in Forex, crypto, stocks. Example: you want to buy Bitcoin, check US10Y. If yields falling, confirms bullish setup. If yields rising, jealous, so risky trade. Bellas B. Leading indicator. Intermediate. US10Y often moves before markets react. Example: yields break above resistance, stocks still going up. Dynastor. This is a warning signal. Dynastor. Smart traders prepare for reversal. Dynas C. Direct trading, advanced trade instruments linked to yields. Bonds, inverse to yields. Bond ETFs, interest rate futures. DIR 4. Key levels strategy: forget noise. Focus on zones, critical levels. 0% major support, 4.20%. Decision zone, 4.5% plus. Danger zone, strategy setup. Morn scenario 1. Break above 4%, expect market stress, risk assets falling, trade short stocks, short crypto, long US bond. North scenario 2. Drop below 420%, expect relief rally, trade long stocks, long crypto, long gold. Nor 5. Trend trading strategy step by step, identify trend. Higher highs, uptrend, yields rising, lower lows, downtrend use moving averages. Above MA200 bullish yield trend. Below MA200 bearish wait for pullback enter with trend example. Yield trending upward pullback to support RSI not overbought. Enter trade expecting continuation 6. Range trading strategy right now. US10Y is often range-bound range in example. Support. 420% resistance. 440% strategy. Buy near support, sell near resistance confirmation tools. RSI oversold. Buy RSI overbought, sell Tang 7. Breakout strategy. High impact. Breakouts in US10Y big moves across markets rules. Wait for strong breakout candle, confirm with volume. If available via proxies, avoid fakeouts. Wait for retest, example. Yield breaks 450%, retests level holds. This is a major macro shift, caps 8. RSI plus EMA combo strategy setup. RSI 14 or 28. EMA 50, EMA 200 buy signal. Yields rising. RSI above 50, price above EMA 50, and EMA 200 pullback to EMA sell signal, yields falling. RSI below 50, price below EMA's GAN 9. News-based strategy, very important. US10Y reacts strongly to CPI, inflation data, NFP, jobs report, FOMC decisions. Oil price spikes, geopolitical events strategy. Before news, reduce risk after news. Trade direction of yield reaction example. CPI higher than expected, yields spike. Short stocks immediately, Knuckles 10. Risk management rules. This is where most traders fail. Golden rules. Never trade without confirmation, avoid over-leverage, respect key levels, don't fight macro trend position sizing. Risk only 1-2% per trade, Shodan 11. Advanced strategy. Yield curve analysis. The yield curve compares 2-year yield, 10-year yield key signal, inverted curve, recession risk steepening curve, recovery trading insight. Recession signals, bullish bonds, recovery signals, bullish stocks, Densdaben 12. Psychology of bond markets. Bond traders are institutional data-driven, less emotional, so when yields move, it's smart money speaking. Backlong 13. Common mistakes, avoid these. Ignoring US10Y completely, trading against yield trend, overreacting to small moves, dwart, not watching macro data, Chorsh 14. Pro-level strategy, combination setup, combining technical levels, RSI news market correlation, example trade, yield at resistance, 440 RSI overbought, weak economic data, expect yield drop, Nile Stow trade, long stocks, long crypto 15. Future outlook strategy. Markets are shifting into a ADIS higher interest rate era. This means volatility stays high. Easy money era is over. Macro matters more than ever. Final thoughts. If you understand US10Y, you're no longer just guessing trades. You're reading the financial system itself. It tells you when to take risk, when to step back, when markets are lying, because at the end of the day, tolls for price moves on liquidity. Liquidity moves with yields. Simple cheat sheet. Yields, sell risk, yields. Buy risk at 4.0%, danger 4.2%. Precision.